Okay, so now let's put in our third source. So again, if you are in our module for this week and you click on that PA synagogue shooting article and video, which will be your third source, when you click on it in Noodle Tools, or sorry, in Canvas, it may not load, but if you click the little button to pop it out as its own little new tab, that'll help you. It'll give you the title, the 4 authors, it'll tell you when this was originally published, it'll tell you this is from the CNN website, all that kind of stuff, okay? Sorry, it's making me do ad blocker at the same time. Okay. So, then in Noodle Tools, when we're in our Sources tab, we're gonna do Add a New Source. It's a website. Okay, everybody got that? Oh wait, I gotta pause this video, sorry. Okay, back in Noodle Tools, this is just a regular web page. You could say like magazine, newspaper, that kind of thing, but CNN is really just a TV channel and they have their own web page. So I'm just going to put web page. Okay. So then URL, if I come over here, I can copy and paste the URL from where I pop that out as its own new tab. Okay. Date of publication when it was originally published is October 29th, 2018. So I'm going to put that in. October 29th, 2018. Most recent date of access, if you just click today, it'll put in today's date for you. Okay. Web page contributors, under role, we've got 4 authors that we need to type in their names. So I don't know how to pronounce all these names, but Dakin Andone. Dakin Andone. And then I'm going to add another contributor. That person is also an author. Jason Hanna is the next person's name. Jason Hanna. Gonna add another one. There's another author. Joe Sterling is his name. And then there's one more. So add a contributor for last time, author, and that one's Paul P. Murphy. Paul P. Murphy. Okay. So if you're looking, you should have all 4 of those authors in there under contributors. Dakin Andone, Jason Hanna, Joe Sterling, Paul P. Murphy. Okay. Then, web page or document / article title. So I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to copy it. Right, then I know my capitalization is correct and all that kind of stuff. I paste that right in. Now it's going to tell me suggestions. I'm going to ignore that. There's not an English translation because it was originally in English. It didn't have to be translated. Name of the website is CNN.com. Publisher of the site is CNN, right? Cable News Network, if you didn't know what that stood for. We don't know anything about the site as a whole. Like, I don't know if their website necessarily has an editor or like producers or whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to leave that part blank. It doesn't have an edition or version or anything like, like a newspaper would. So I'm going to make sure that it stays the green check down here to always include this source in my final works cited. And then I'm going to save.